Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week and what we expected last week. The chart which you are seeing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. For our weekly analysis, we always use 1 hour chart, not our regular Goodwill Commodities charting tool. This tiny black color candlestick indicates last week Monday's price opening, which shows that the market opened exactly near the key zone of 6060. We had identified that 6060 has got the potential to stay and to act as a trend deciding zone. If the price is constantly staying above 6060, we expected that crude has got every possibility to show a reversal with short term buying. After the price opening, you can see the price really tried to put something above 6100, and we know that this particular area was acting as a very strong resistance. Finally, after breaking the 6100, you can see the price straight away went up as per our expectation, and finally the price reached near 6320. So yesterday what happened, since the price could not stay above the zone, the price came down, you can notice, and finally closed around 6282. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the last week price. So we had drawn a trend line by connecting the low that was created on April 2nd and the low created on April 7th, and we had drawn a trend line in order to identify this trend. So everything went as per the plan apart from this particular area, and we had clearly identified this particular area of 6060 very earlier, and also our moving average was also converging at this point. That made this area a special zone. So before looking into what we can do for today, let us go back and see what are the price action that happened here in this particular contract. If you notice, these are the low volatile area for this contract, but if you notice that from the month of February, the price was taking a good support around 6200 in this particular area, where I am showing this particular area the price took the support that pushed the price till 6540. This was the high for this particular contract. We all know that from that high the price fell down, but if you trace the path exactly on reaching 6020, after a very big fall, you can see there was a clear bounce back and the price was hitting 6320. Just put your focus on 6320. So you can notice that here the price went up, so it was acting as a very good support for crude oil market. Once the price came down, it acted as a resistance that was balanced by the major support zone of 6200 and 6220 in this particular area. So if you minutely monitor what are the price action that happened around March 10th and 11th, so the price was taking a resistance here that pushed the price down. Now why I am showing this is that now the current price is staying in this particular area of 6000 and 6200 and 6220. You can notice why the price took a good resistance in the yesterday's market, just because it was testing 6320, which is a major resistance zone. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today. Today the expected price opening can be somewhere near 6260 and 6280. Within this zone, based upon the NYMEX price direction, we are predicting the price opening. So how we can position ourselves, this particular contract is also going to get expired soon. So we cannot do much in this particular contract, but till then what we can do is that we can mark the zone and we can focus here. So if there is any real buying happening in crude oil, so whatever happened in this from the price action that pushed from 6060 to 6260, 260, 320, if there is any real buying happening in crude oil market, the market should sustain this particular area, since I had explained you why this particular area is very important. And also this is going to be the convergence of the trend line slowly and steadily the moving average is also moving towards this area. So till 6200 and 220 you can expect crude oil to stay in buying. If the price cannot sustain the zone, if we find any failure below this by breaking the trend line also, we can expect the market to come down. Then we will decide on seeing the price action, we will decide on how to position ourselves. Till then, till the price staying above 6220 and 200, it is good for buying on dips. So the expected target zone is 6360. You can notice that in a practical way we can see once the price moving from 6320, it was moving towards 6380 in this particular area. So you can have this as a contract in order to be very conservative. Just this contract is going to expire soon. I have minimized the position, the target as 6360. So we are not expecting much in this contract. If the trend continues, we are expecting crude to go near 6360. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.